जाऊचे. Are you a passionate singer or an instrumentalist whose talent has to be seen by the world? Or are you part of a band which is waiting to come to the limelight? So, here is a great opportunity from the Gaayak team in the form of a show called as Sruthilaya Global Talent Hunt. So, few things about Sruthilaya. It's a 100% online event. You can participate from the comfort of your home or wherever you are in whichever part of the globe you are from. You will be able to participate in this event. And secondly, there is no age bar or language bar whatsoever. Whether you're 6 years or 60 years, or whether you speak Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Hindi, Oriya, whatever, you'll be able to sing and perform in any of the Indian languages. And lastly, your talent will be judged by some of the leading celebrities in the Indian film industry. So this is the right opportunity, guys. So do register. And for registrations, you can visit our website www.gaayak.in, or you can even text us on the WhatsApp number which is provided in the description box. One of our coordinators will help you with the registration process. So guys, time is running out. Do register soon. Hoping to see you all sing and perform. Thank you.